Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Age at Education Adda. In this lecture, we will discuss one important problem of mathematics. Before starting the discussion, I would like to tell you if you want to get more important problems, you can visit our website education-adda.com. Link of this website is also available in the description box of the video. So how you can get the questions? See, you need to visit education-adda.com, then go to menu option and select academics adda. In academics adda, you need to select math important questions. One more thing, all these questions are available in the form of video lectures on our YouTube channel, and the playlist is titled as math important questions. Okay friends, coming back to the given problem, see what is given here. The Census Bureau for a large country has reported that country is becoming more diverse. The projected population and the population is given in millions of a certain minority is modeled by the exponential function ht equal to 37.84 times 1.03 to the power t, where t equal to 0 means 2000 year. Okay, and range of t is given as t is greater than equal to 0 while it is less than equal to 50. So we need to compute parts a and b as below. In part a, we need to estimate in which year the minorities population will be double that of 2005 population, and 2005 population is given as 43.87 million. We need to use algebra of logarithms. Okay, and in part b, the projected population of another minority, and it is given by exponential function st equal to 11.25 times 1.025 to the power t. Here also t equal to 0 corresponds to the year 2000, and t varies from 0 to 50. Okay, so we need to estimate in which year this minorities population will double the 2005 population of 12.73 million. Okay, so one by one we will discuss. See, for the first minority, the projected population is given by the function st equal to 37.84 times 1.03 to the power t, and it is given t equal to 0 corresponds to 2000, and t varies from 0 to 50, that is t is greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to 50. So we are assuming that population will be double that of 2005 population after n years from 2000. So we are taking n years from 2000, you can see it is not from 2005. Okay, so in 2005 population was given as 43.87 million. So when we substitute t equal to 5 in equation 1, we will get the population in the year 2005. Okay, and this will be equal to 43.87. So 37.84 times 1.03 to the power 5, we have replaced t by 5, so we will get this equation. Now after n years from 2000, so we need to replace t by n, or we need to substitute t by n. Okay, and it is given that population will be double, so the population will be 43.87. This is in the year 2005, and population will be double, so we have multiplied by 2, and here we have substituted t equal to n. Okay, you can see here. So this is the another equation we have got. So now we have two equations 2 and 3, and solving these two equations we can find the value of n. So here you can see we can divide equation 3 by equation 2. So dividing equation 3 by equation 2, we will get 1.03 times, sorry, 1.03 to the power n minus 5 equal to 2. Now as it is here in power, so how we can find it? So we need to take log on both sides. So taking logarithm on both sides, we will get, see, you know the power rule of logarithm. Log of base is a, here it is 10, x to the power n, it will be equal to n log ax. Okay, this is power rule of logarithm. So using this power rule of logarithm, this power will come here n minus 5 log 10, 10 is base and 1.03, and it will be equal to log of 2. Okay, now using the logarithm table we can find the value of log 1.03, or you can use the calculator also. So log 1.03 value is 0.0128, while log 2 value is 0.3010. So n minus 5 will be equal to 23.52, or n will be equal to 23.52 plus 5. Okay, therefore n is equal to 28.52. So rounding to the next integer, n will be equal to 29. Hence we can say the minority population will be double that of 2005 population in the year 2029. Okay, now for the part B, the projected population of another minority, it is given by st equal to 11.25 times 1.025 to the power t, and here also t equal to 0 corresponds to the year 2000, and t varies from 0 to 50. So here also we need to find in which year the population will be double that of 2005 population, and 2005 population is given as 12.73. So we can find the population in the year 2005 by substituting t equal to 5 in equation 4. So substituting t equal to 5, and the population is given as 12.73. So we have written here, and we have replaced t by 5 here. Okay, so we will get this equation 11.25 times 1.025 whole to the power 5 equal to 12.73. Suppose this is our equation number 5, and after n years from 2000, the population will be double that of 2005. So population will be 12.73 times, sorry, multiplied by 2, and here we have substituted t equal to n. Okay, so we will get this equation, that is 11.25 times 1.025 to the power n equal to 12.73 into 2. Now again here we need to find the value of n from equations 5 and 6. So here also you can see, if we divide 6 by 5, 12.73 will be removed, and we will get 1.025 to the power n divided by 1.025 to the power 5 equal to 2. So again here we will get this equation, and to find the value of n we need to take logarithm on both sides. Again using power rule of logarithm, we will get n minus 5 times log of 1.025, and it will be equal to log of 2. Okay, base will be 10 on both sides. So we can calculate the value of n minus 5 equal to 0.3010 by 0.0107, and it will be equal to 28.13. Therefore n will be equal to 33.13, and rounding to the next integer, n will be equal to 34. Hence we can say that minorities population will be double that of 2005 population in the year 2034. Okay friends, so in this lecture we have discussed one important problem of mathematics. Okay, thank you.